Are you tired of sweltering summer heat in your garage? Or perhaps the cold snaps during winter send shivers down your spine? If so, insulated garage doors in Dallas, Texas might just be the solution you need. Homeowners in Dallas face extreme temperatures that can affect their comfort and energy bills. Insulated garage doors act as a thermal barrier, improving your garage's temperature control and energy efficiency. This is crucial for attached garages or those used as workshops. So, what exactly are insulated garage doors? They consist of multiple layers of materials like steel or aluminum, with an insulating core, usually polystyrene or polyurethane. The R value measures their insulation effectiveness. A higher R value means better performance. Let's explore the benefits of insulated garage doors in Dallas. First, they help regulate temperatures, ensuring your garage remains comfortable for any activity. Second, they boost energy efficiency, reducing the load on your HVAC system. Third, they provide excellent noise reduction, keeping outside disturbances at bay. Fourth, their durability means less frequent repairs, saving you time and hassle. Lastly, they enhance your home's value and appearance. Consider common scenarios where these doors come in handy. If you use your garage as a workspace, temperature control is vital for productivity. If living space is above or adjacent to the garage, insulated doors can stabilize the indoor climate. Frequent garage door repairs? Insulated doors experience less wear and tear, meaning fewer breakdowns. It's essential to keep in mind that regular maintenance is necessary for insulated garage doors. Issues like roller wear or spring tension may arise, but they generally endure less stress in extreme climates. Incorporating routine checks can significantly extend their lifespan. Is upgrading to an insulated garage door worth it in Dallas? Absolutely. Not only do they provide comfort and energy savings, but they also appeal to potential buyers. When choosing the right insulated garage door, consider material, R value, design, and warranty. Always work with a reputable garage door company to ensure proper installation. In summary, insulated garage doors are a smart investment for Dallas homeowners. They enhance comfort, efficiency, strength, and noise control. If you're considering an upgrade or renovation, reach out to a local garage door professional today. Your garage can make a noticeable difference year-round.